Hello, this is Jason with PokerAtlas, and in this video we're going to cover looking up player activity. So we're going to start in player maintenance, and then we're going to search for the player whose activity you would like to look up. So we're going to type that player's name in and going to hit search. You can obviously scan their card if you have a card swipe and use player cards. So we're on this player, we're going to go to details, and now you can see this has all the individual player activity information. As long as you're using their account to clock them in and out and to sign them up for tournaments, then you should have all of their information available in this one place. So you have all these tabs to choose from as far as any of the information you would like to check or look up. You have any promotions they've been awarded, you have any vouchers they've been awarded, and you can even scroll to the right and see even more information about that transaction. It's all available in their player maintenance detail page. So if you ever need to look up to see if a voucher was issued or not issued, or if you need to see a tournament result, if you enter your tournament results, you have it available right here. Alright guys, and that is how you look up individual player activity in PokerAtlas. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.